In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the contents from your recycle bin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and open your recycle bin. And if you can't find your recycle bin, all you need to do is to go and right click on any empty space on your desktop and then hit on personalize, then themes, and from here choose the option called desktop icon settings. Now if you tap on it, it will open all the desktop icons that are displayed and not displayed. As you can see here, the control panel is not displayed. If I just want to display it, I'll tap on this and then apply and then OK. So for my case, the recycle bin is already displayed, but for your case, if you can't find it, maybe it is unselected, go ahead and select it and then click on apply and OK to restore it. Once you have found your recycle bin, go ahead and double click on it to open, and here you will see all the contents that are in your recycle bin, and as you can see, there are too many. You may want to empty your recycle bin so that you can free up your hard disk space, because deleted files that are in recycle bin, they still use the space on our hard disk or on our storage. So to empty the recycle bin, you may want to go ahead and delete on each and every file and delete it. This will delete it permanently. As you can see here, if I tap on yes, that will be deleted permanently and it will be gone forever. I can't restore it. However, I find that that will be a tedious and a long process to delete all these files one by one. Now, to delete all these information files and folders at once, all you need to do is to go to the left corner and you'll see an option called empty recycle bin. Now go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll see a dialog box asking you if you are sure that you want to delete all the items in your recycle bin. Go ahead and tap on yes, and you can see the deletion has begun and all our 669 items are being deleted, and within a moment you can see now the recycle bin is empty. So that's how you empty your recycle bin or delete everything from your recycle bin. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.